everybody, and welcome back to Emilio Canovic's channel. And today, the water bottles are actually gonna go wash their clothes. Okay, son. Now it's time to wash the clothes. Okay, Daddy. All right. So first off, we're gonna put all the clothes in the washing machine. Okay, Daddy. Oh. Okay, son. Now it's putting all the clothes inside. Where's the clothes? I think it went that way. Okay, let me go grab it. Okay, brought the clothes. Now put it inside. Alright, son. Now close the door. Okay, Daddy. Fun fact, everything needs to be eco-friendly and biodegradable so it doesn't hurt our earth when you put inside all of the laundry detergent. Alright, power on. Nope. Where's perm press? I think it's wrinkle control. Okay, perfect. It's this one. Okay, so extra rinse, and let's start. And guess who likes everybody like to look at spinning round and round? Little water bottle. He really likes it spinning around. Bing! Oh. Little water bottle hears the beep. The laundry's ready, Daddy. All right. Now we're gonna put all the clothes in the washing machine and put it in the dryer. Okay, Daddy. Okay, let me go open it here. Oh, perfect. I got it, son. Okay, thank you, Daddy. Let me go grab all the clothes. Wait a minute. Hold on. I need to open the dryer door. Oh, hold on. Let me go do that. Oh. Time out. I'm trying to get the door open, so please wait. Okay, got it open. Perfect. 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 Okay, son, now put all the washing machine stuff into the dryer. Okay, Daddy. Pass this into the dryer. More. And the last load. Okay. Okay, son. Now let's shut the door. on the washing machine. Okay, Daddy. Okay, son, now shut the dryer door. Okay, Daddy. Hold on a minute. Little water bottle. We need to check the lid trap. Oh yes, it's definitely lint. Let's clear it out so we can run the dryer safely. Okay, so now I'll do the controls, okay? Okay. All right, let's see. Let me go power. Hold on a minute. I need to click on power on. Okay. What is this? Normal. Nope. Perm press. I need perm press. Okay, perfect. Okay, so perm press is 1 hour and 43 minutes. No, that's not that much time. Let's go add 2 more minutes. Okay, perfect. Now it's 1 hour 45 minutes. And wait a minute. Wrinkle prevent and click on start. Daddy water bottle checks the time. The time is 1:15 now, and the dryer will be finished at 3 o'clock. Beep. Okay, it's all dry. Now let's go open the dryer. Technical difficulties again. Timeout. Perfect. Got it open, but it turned on again. Okay, time in. Okay, it's all dry. Oh, it's so warm. Little water bottle lays down in the new laundry. And Daddy water bottle shuts the door. And he turns off the machine because it turns on every time he opens the door. And Daddy water bottle lays down as well in the new laundry. And thank you for watching Emilio Canovic. Please like and comment and subscribe to my videos. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.